Hey people, it's Fluffy and Zippo. Hey buddy. And I just wanted to show you a cool trick they taught him. Zippo, you want? Come on, stand up. You can do it. No, that's cheating. That is cheating. Get off. Get off. It's gonna take a while. Wait. Okay. Come on, Zippo. Come on, buddy. Stand on your head. Okay, we're gonna have to take him out for this. I am terribly sorry, Zippo. Wait. Come here, you. Come on. Come here. I'm sorry. There. There you go. Hold on. No, Zippo. He won't stop wandering around like this. There. You okay now, Zippo? Feeling better? Better? Zippo. Zippo. Good boy, you responded.
Oh, Alexis.
Yes?
You started on your homework?
No.
Finish your homework.
Zippo, no.
I'm going to do it self, Alexis, and if you don't finish it and turn it in, you're going to fail.
I know.
You'll get an F on that assignment, so keep going.
Zippo, what I taught you. Yeah, nice try. That's cheating. Here we go. Come on. You do it. You won't cooperate. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. You can do it. You do it. Stop cheating, you. See it? Good boy. One last chance. Well, apparently that was a fail. You're such a ridiculous guinea pig, you. Whatever happened to standing on your legs and then falling out of your bum? Come on. You know you could do that. You know you can. Well, that is it, I guess. Tis the first Saturday, so next Saturday will be our 2nd month anniversary with Zippo. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this piggy-like video. Get it? And no offense, you are not chubby. You are a healthy guinea pig. You're a healthy 2-year-old guinea pig. Yes, you are. Hello. Nope, not my pants. Please don't eat my pants. So, thanks for watching. Bye. Zippo, can you say bye? Can you say goodbye. No, not. Jumping a phone is the way saying goodbye. Goodbye.